So, now, Stoddart International Scientific Award for scientific achievement within the framework of sustainable development, and the winner is Jean-Marie Dubois. Félicitations.
Thank you so much.
On peut parler en français.
No, maybe not tonight. It's, of course, an honor, especially after so many brilliant people. I think especially of Danny Shechtman, who made my life, my professional life, happy for 40 years with the discovery of quasi-crystals. I wanted to, like my predecessors on this stage, I wanted to congratulate you for the achievement of this symposium, the summit, which was more difficult than the previous ones.
Yeah, because of COVID.
I also think of the people who behind you.
I recognize
like
them all.
Teresa and Nick and
I
the
recognize
others.
them all.
But there are also 2 or 3 achievements that my predecessors did not point out, which you achieved tonight. The first is to attract a high-rank diplomat from your own country to a scientific meeting. This is something. And simultaneously, you had 2 honorary citizens of Rio de Janeiro.
I didn't know, it was a surprise for me.
And 2 honorary members of the Académie Lorraine des Sciences.
Correct.
Yourself and my friend
Correct.
Christian
We are both
Amator.
honorary members of Académie Lorraine of Sciences.
This academy is yet unknown, but very famous, at least in my art. So thank you so much.
Thank you also. You deserve it. Thank you for your contribution. Let's have a... Félicitations. Félicitations. We have both this. Oh, I don't have it. Here I don't have it. I forgot. Yes.